Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Bullion Now. BullionNow.com.au, your best place to buy bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. I've still got the old line in there in me, Alex. We've got some stuff to unbox today.
Yes, we have. We've got a few things, and as we're not getting any younger, let's just get right into it.
Let's get straight into it. So we've got some international gold and silver here. Is about as specific I know. I think it's some of the staples, which is good. We're only the third month into the year, so good to have some of these through.
All right, and it's a box within a box,
as they like to have the babushka for us.
I prefer to think of it as Inception, but to each their
That
own.
works too.
All right. What have we got here? Some more wrapping.
Gives me lots to clean up afterwards.
Okay.
Well, have you started with a fun one, have you?
I have started with a fun one.
I mean, they're all fun
Sometimes good things come in small packages. Okay, some beautiful pamphs. We've been getting quite a few requests on these recently. Got some in, sold out quickly, and now we got another restock. And these are the 1 ounce Swiss pamphs.
1 ounce pamp lady for tuners, very, very popular. It's kind of a brand that we haven't had as much through in the past as some others, just because of the premiums have been quite high on them. I still think these will work out more expensive still than a Perth Mint or something like that, but it is a very sought after brand, and it's a beautiful bar. Yeah. They do a good job.
Yeah, very sought after. I love it. I love the Lady Fortuna design. They've come out. I don't know if everyone's seen the new ones. I think it just says Pam Swiss on an angle.
I don't like that as much.
No, nowhere near as much, and I wouldn't personally pay the premium, but these Lady Fortunas are absolutely stunning.
Into the next box. Alrighty, next up.
Ooh, okay, this is a staple.
Yeah, iconic grey. What's the colour for this year? It's yellow.
Yellow for the Krugerrand.
They do little different coloured bands on the outside of the boxes, which is actually very helpful when you've got quite a few of them lined up.
That it is.
Being able to tell the different years.
Hang on one sec. Okay.
So the South African Krugerrand originally was kicked off in the 22 carat 1 ounce gold, and now in the silver.
That's right. One of my favourite, I would say, impure gold coins on the 1 ounce variety.
Are you actually going to chop into it, Alex?
I'm going to chop in. Hang on, I'll go this one. I'll leave this one till last.
No, I'm talking about the Krugerrands. You got to do the unboxing.
Okay, all right. Sorry, I'm a perfectionist.
You want to leave it in the monster box. We've got the wrong man in for the unboxing if you like to keep them all in their boxes.
Or just a big player.
This is where we tear into them, Alex.
All right.
We got the sticker kind of pinching it there.
Here. Spin it around. And there we go. This is always such a beautiful sight to see. A brand new minty mint monster box. All right.
And you got to ruin it by opening up.
Yeah, I know.
Is it killing you?
It is. And look at these beauties. 2025.
Beautiful. Just an update. No design change or anything like that. So just the year updated, but a welcome thing through.
And the colour.
And the colour change. Yeah, that's an exciting part of every year.
All right.
Alrighty, on to the next.
On to the next. Let's have a look. All right, let's keep them.
Alrighty.
All right.
You've seen it before the rest of us.
Probably my favourite monster box.
Absolutely my favourite monster box. It's just interesting, you know. We have the Philharmonics. Right. And the reason it's our favourite monster box, is just the added kind of structure on the outside of it. You can kind of see there, they've got some supports and stuff there, some columns. And it's just, not to knock the Krugerrands, but seeing as it's right there to compare to, it's just that little bit more interesting. And a seal on top. It's going to hurt you even more, Alex.
It is because, hang on. You better back off, otherwise it's going to hurt you. All right, there we go.
Them's fighting words.
I don't. There, oh, look at that. Just gorgeous, isn't it?
Oh, except for that one in the bottom left that missed the memo. feel like you've got to open that one up now.
Yeah,
It's
it's crying
the
out.
runt.
Let's have a look.
Crying out to be unboxed, yeah. He's in!
Right, and there we go. Look at that. Another beauty.
And the beauty, again, no major update despite besides the date change, but a very beautiful coin nonetheless. And stay tuned because we have some interesting content that Michael was able to grab over at the Austrian Mint while they were over in Germany this year. Well, they went from Germany to Austria and picked up some interesting footage from there. So stay tuned. We might have a little bit of a walkthrough coming at some stage.
Okay.
2 more to go, Alex.
Oh, two more. Let's have a look what's in here. I think I know what's in here already based on the box shape.
Aha!
And it is
Americans. The US Eagles.
now, is this strong enough? Yes, it is.
One way to find out.
Alright. I do love these ASC monster boxes though. Very practical for storing the bullion in.
There is something to, it's getting obviously more and more expensive as time seems to be going on, but there is something nice to the 500 monster box. I do wonder sometimes if it'd be nice to see a 500 kangaroo monster box.
Oh, look at that. Hang.
Beautiful.
These new labels.
I think so,
They
yeah.
look like a new, well, I know they're new labels, it's a new monster box.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a new design to the actual seals.
Very cool.
Very nice. Very, very cool indeed.
Are we going to take a look at one of the coins?
Yeah.
They've got one right in the middle that's calling to be grabbed.
Okay, here we go. And the classic design, though. Well, I don't know about classic.
Well, I was going
Type
to say it hasn't yet had time to become a classic. The Series 2 version, but
half of it is.
yeah, well that's it. The Walking Liberty side, he's nailed the flip too, and the Type 2 Eagle there.
It is very nice.
Good
I do prefer the Type 1 still, but the Type 2 is growing on me.
Very cool. All right, you've been keen for it.
I'm keeping this one.
Now we can get into this last box.
Now let me put this out here.
Oh, I'm seeing a Volcambi logo.
That was quite the boxing/unboxing match. But
I was about to say, but you've won in the end. But then the box had one final trick for you.
wait, there's more. Let's take one of these out.
Alrighty, the reveal.
And
Fractional silver.
combi bars, my absolutely favorite when it comes to fractional silver and gold.
So can you flip over the other side there? So we've got 100 by 1 gram Volcambi combi bars. So the idea being it's in one solid bar, but then you can break off individual 1 gram pieces, and each piece has the information on it of its weight, purity, all that kind of stuff that you need to be able to sell it individually back to a bullion dealer here in Australia. So very, very cool.
Or just keep it for a rainy day.
Yeah, well that's it. The way they were always described to me, and I think it's a great way of describing them, is it's an expensive way to buy 100 grams of silver, but it's a cheap way to buy 101 grams. So if you're after if you're after just 100 grams of silver, it's probably a pretty pricey way to do it. You could pick up a 100 gram bar just by itself a lot cheaper. But if you were really after that kind of fractional individual pieced silver, this is absolutely a fantastic way to get it. I think we have got these through before and they sold very, very quickly. So
Yeah, they were more popular in the 10 by 10s.
yes.
And we always get the requests for the 100 by 1. So here they are.
Good to have them through. All right, so a bit of an overview. We have the American Eagles in the 2025s. We have the Austrian Philharmonics in the 2025s. The Krugerrands in the 2025s. We've got some Lady Fortuna 1 ounce golds, and these Valcambi Swiss 100 by 1 gram silver bars. Fantastic. Thank you very much, Alex.
Thank you for
work on the unboxing there.
Thank you. Go get some water now.
That's it. Links will be in the description. Go check all these out, and we will see you in the next one.
See ya.